Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss an important topic in your syllabus, that is node making. So, do you know what is node making? Actually, we prepare note so that we can easily recall the total passage within a short period of time in the time of emergency in future. So, before going to discuss how to write note and what is its format, dear students, you all look here and read the passage carefully first. At first, you read the passage carefully. Look here. Today, we are living in an age of changing fashions. Every day, we see a change in the fashions of clothes and hairstyle. Cinema is the home of new fashions. Young boys and girls borrow fashion from there. They copy the fashions of their favorite film star. They want to excel one another in fashion, but only a few students can afford to adopt these fashions. They come dressed in new fashions. They make fun of those who put on out of dresses. As a result, even those students whose parents cannot afford costly dresses are tempted to be fashionable. Sometimes they borrow money and things from their rich friends whenever they have to attend some party. It often leads to quarrel. They often go astray. So students, before going to start writing notes, you all have to read the lesson carefully again and again. Unless and until you cannot understand the total topic, you read it again and again. So I am giving you some time to read the passage. So dear student, you also read the passage, and I am giving you some time, read the passage carefully. Students, I hope you have read the passage. So, after reading the passage, a word is common, that is fashion. And the passage is totally on fashion, today's fashion. So, before writing notes, you have to underline the important lines. Underline the important lines. Age of changing fashions. One of the most important line. Yes. Fashion of clothes and hairstyle. Cinema is the home of new fashion. Young boys and girls borrow fashions from these. They copy fashions of their favorite film star. They want to excel one another, and a few students afford to adopt these fashions. Yes, They make fun of those who put on out of dresses, and sometimes they borrow money and things from their rich, and ultimately it often leads to quarrel. So students, I have already underlined the main points. So before starting to write notes, at first you have to underline the main points. So dear students, now I am going to discuss how to write notes. Look here. Note making. Today's topic is note making. How to write? How to write notes? At first, read the passage carefully. Then underline the main points. After this, avoid helping verb. When you write notes, don't use helping verb. Try to use phrases. Use phrases. Give title and subtitle. In short, you must give title and subtitle in short. Is subdivision has 2 or 3 points. Each subdivision has 2 or 3 points. Use abbreviation. At least 5 to 6. Use abbreviation 5 to 6 at least. What is abbreviation? Abbreviation means to write a word in short, like edu. Edu means education. So in note we use edu, not education. Yes, and I think you all have understood how to write notes. Another point, use sub points. So these are the rules how to write notes. So it has also a format. What is the format of note making? Look here. Format of note making. Yes, format. Format of note making. At first, title. Or heading. Title or heading. Then subheading. Subheading. Point number 1, subheading. Then subpoint 1.1, 1.2, actually subheading 1, 1.3. Then point number 2, subheading 2, similarly 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and in the same way point number 3, subheading 3, point number 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, like this. You have to maintain the format of note making while you write a note. What is the format? At first give title or heading, then subtitle, and between the two subtitle there must be 2 or 3 subpoints. Subheading 1, subheading 2, subheading 3, subheading 4, like this, and in between the two subheading there must be at least 2 or 3 subpoints, and you must follow the system like this. Just point number 1, then 1.1, just below the point 1.1, then 1.2, then 1.3. Then if we write subheading 2, then point number 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and point number 3, subheading 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, etc. So you have to maintain this format to write note. And last of all, there must be a key to abbreviation. There must be a key to abbreviation. And look here, in notes we use a lot of abbreviation, and all the abbreviations used inside the notes are mentioned in the key abbreviation. What is abbreviation? Short form and its full form written at the last in the box of key to abbreviation. So I have already given you a passage to make notes. So look here, what is the note of this passage? Students, I think you all have understood this format, how to write. Look here. title, at first title. What is the title of this passage? Fashion. And its bad effect. The title of this passage is Fashion and its bad effect. You all have understood well that why I am giving the name of the title Fashion and its bad effect. Yes, all through the passage about the fashions are given here. So fashions and its bad effect. Then subtitle, point number 1, age of changing fashions, age of changing fashions. Then sub points, just 1.1, fashions borrowed. I write only BORR, not borrowed, BORR. Abbreviations are used when you write notes. Borrow fashions from Filmster. Yes, 1.2, hairstyle borrow from Filmster and Players. Yes, the first subheading, change, age of changing fashions. Second subheading, point number 2, and similarly I have already discussed how to write second subheading, young boys and girls, young boys and girls copy Filmster, copy CinemaStar. Yes, the second subheading is young boys and girls copy CinemaStars. Then subpoint just below 2.1, try to excel EXC, try to excel one another. Yes, 2.2, try to excel one another. New fashions in competition, COMPE, competition. Yes, in short form, new fashions in competition. Last of all, number 3, point number 3, all not afford to adopt these fashions. So point number 3, that is third subtitle, then subpoint just below 2.2, 3.1. Poor, rich makes fun of the poor dresses. Yes, subpoint number 3.2. Poor borrow money and things from rich. And now last of all 3.3, often leads to quarrel. Yes, in short. So I have written down all the points. I am not creating any points by myself. All the points are given in the passage, and from the passage I have already underlined the main points, and one by one, giving title and subtitle, I have written down all the points. Title, fashion and its bad effect. Subtitle, age of changing fashions. Point number 1.1, fashions borrow from film star. Hairstyle borrowed from film star and players. Point number 2, young boys and girls copy cinema stars. Point number 2.1, try to excel one another. And 2.2, new fashions in competition. And last of all, subheading number 3, all not afford to adopt these fashions. Rich makes fun of the poor dresses. Poor dresses, poor borrow money and things from rich, often leads to quarrel. So I have already written down what is the answers, what is the note of this passage, and last of all, I have also told you at the end there must be a box, key to abbreviation. So look here, key to abbreviation. There is no space. So look here. At the end there must be a key to abbreviation. So at the end there is no space, so I am writing at the top, but you must write below the notes. Look here. Key to abbreviation. Key to abbreviation number 1, borrow, B-O-R-R, B-O-R-R, O-W-E-D, borrowed. Next, film star, F-I-L-M-S-T. Yes. Film star. Yes. Next, style, S-T-Y. Yes. There is also an use of abbreviation EXE, Excel. Yes. There is also an use of abbreviation competition, COMPE. Competition. Yes. At the end, there is another abbreviation, that is QUAR, quarrel, QUARREL. Yes. Last of all, at the end there must be a key to abbreviation. Key to abbreviation means borrowed, film star, style, excel, competition, quarrel. So I have already discussed how to write notes and what is the format of note making. So dear students, when you make notes, you must remind what is the format of note making, and you apply the format. If you apply the format, then automatically your note will be ready.